10 luxury cars that actually last post-warranty. Think luxury cars are just money pits once the warranty expires? Think again. We've all heard the horror stories. $5,000 repair bills, stranded owners, and dealerships that treat you like an ATM machine. But what if I told you some luxury vehicles are actually more reliable than economy cars after that warranty runs out? Today, we're counting down the top 10 luxury cars that won't leave you broke and stranded after the honeymoon period ends. And number 1 might shock you. Number 10, Mercedes-Benz EClass. The W212 E-Class represents perhaps the last of Mercedes' over-engineered tanks. Unlike modern Benzes with their disposable feel, these were built when Mercedes still cared about durability first, luxury second. What makes this generation special? The facelifted models from 2014 to 2016 are particularly robust. The engines and transmissions in these cars were designed specifically for longevity, not just to survive the warranty period. Many taxi companies worldwide still use these E-Classes with 300,000 plus miles showing on the clock. But be warned, they're not perfect. Common issues include occasional coolant leaks, wiring degradation over time, and water pump failures. You'll spend around $11,500 for maintenance over a 10-year period, but that's actually reasonable compared to most German luxury cars. Want the most reliable variant? Look for a 2016 model, the final year of production when most bugs had been ironed out. They're still solid, rattle-free cars with exceptional build quality and surprisingly strong resistance to rust. Number 9, Genesis G80. When Hyundai launched Genesis as their luxury division, most car guys laughed. They're not laughing anymore, especially when it comes to the G80. The second-generation G80 offers exceptional value with its combination of luxury features and surprisingly strong reliability. The 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6 is the pick here, a bulletproof engine that doesn't suffer from the turbo or direct injection issues plaguing many modern luxury cars. What's remarkable is the 10-year estimated maintenance cost, only about $7,600. That's less than half of what you'll pay for a comparable BMW. And the warranty? Legendary. While we're focusing on post-warranty reliability, it's worth noting you get a 10-year over 100,000-mile powertrain coverage to start with. Be aware that early models had some transmission quirks and water pump leakage issues. But overall, Genesis built these G80s to establish credibility in the luxury market, and it shows in their build quality. Number 8, Porsche Cayenne. A Porsche that's reliable? Many would say that's an oxymoron, but the second-generation Cayenne proves them wrong, especially models from 2013 onwards after Porsche worked out the early production issues. This generation of Cayenne strikes a balance between sports car dynamics and practical SUV utility. The later models in this generation, 2013 to 2018, have proven particularly dependable, combining Porsche's engineering excellence with more robust components than earlier versions. Yes, maintenance costs are higher than average. This is still a Porsche after all, but what you're paying for is proper engineering. No plastic timing chain guides or flimsy cooling systems here. Common issues to watch for include coolant leaks from plastic fittings, transfer case failures, and air suspension problems. The best approach? Find a well-maintained example with service records and budget properly for maintenance. Number 7, Porsche 911. The 991 generation 911 proves that driving excitement doesn't have to come with reliability anxiety. This generation, especially the 991.2 models from 2017 to 2019, represents perhaps the perfect blend of modern technology with traditional Porsche durability. What makes these 911s stand out? Exceptional engineering and high build quality. These aren't disposable status symbols. They're machines built to be driven hard for decades. J.D. Power consistently ranked the 991 above average for dependability, giving the convertible and coupe versions reliability ratings of 8.5 and 8.4 out of 10 respectively. Sure, maintenance isn't cheap. Expect to pay premium prices for servicing, but the frequency of repairs is remarkably low. Many owners report their 991s feeling like new, even after years of ownership and substantial mileage. Watch out for potential issues with the PDK transmission, cooling system problems, and mechanical valve failures. But compared to exotic cars with similar performance, the 911's durability is in another league. Quick reminder to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying this countdown. We post new videos every week breaking down what car companies don't want you to know. Number 6, BMW X5. BMW has had its ups and downs with reliability, but the current G05 generation X5 represents a genuine return to form, particularly the 40i models with the B58, a BMW engine so reliable that Toyota chose it for the new Supra. Consumer Reports name this X5 as the top luxury SUV and BMW as the best car brand overall. That's an impressive achievement for a company once notorious for maintenance headaches. The B58 turbocharged inline-six engine deserves special attention. It's widely considered one of BMW's most reliable modern motors. Paired with excellent overall build quality, it makes for an SUV that can actually survive outside the warranty period. The downside? Maintenance costs run around $19,500 over 10 years, nearly triple what you'd pay for a Lexus. Common issues include occasional coolant leaks, iDrive glitches, and potential air suspension failures as mileage climbs. But for many owners, the driving experience justifies the extra cost. And unlike BMWs of the past, you won't be on a first-name basis with your mechanic. Number 5. BMW 340i and 440i. The BMW 340i and 440i models with the B58 engine offer a compelling blend of performance and surprising reliability. This marks a departure from earlier 3 Series generations that became money pits once the warranty expired. What changed? The B58 turbocharged inline-six engine represents a return to BMW's engineering roots, focusing on durability rather than just power numbers. This engine is robust enough that Toyota partnered with BMW to use it in their flagship super sports car. iCars gives the 3 Series a solid reliability rating of 8.4 out of 10, and many owners report minimal issues when proper maintenance schedules are followed. But there's a catch. You'll still pay BMW maintenance prices with an estimated 10-year cost around $16,000. Potential issues include occasional oil and coolant leaks, valve cover gasket failures, and water pump problems. But compared to earlier turbo BMW engines that seem designed to self-destruct at 60,000 miles, the B58 is in another league of reliability. Number 4. Acura MDX. The third-generation Acura MDX offers an appealing combination of luxury features and Honda reliability DNA. It consistently outscores its European luxury SUV rivals in dependability studies. RepairPal gives the MDX a reliability rating of 4.0 out of 5.0, ranking it highly among luxury midsize SUVs. Estimated 10-year maintenance costs run around $10,700, considerably less than German alternatives. What drives this reliability? The Honda-derived powertrain has a proven track record for durability. Acura also made significant efforts to enhance quality and refinement, starting with this third generation. Be aware that some models with the ZF 9-speed automatic transmission have reported issues, and higher mileage examples may experience failures in the air suspension system. Infotainment and electrical glitches are also relatively common, but overall, the MDX offers a compelling balance of luxury, performance, and Japanese reliability, a rare combination in the luxury SUV segment. Number 3. Lexus GX 460. If you want a luxury SUV that will outlive your mortgage, look no further than the Lexus GX 460. This body-on-frame beast combines Toyota's legendary reliability with Lexus luxury appointments. What makes it special? It's essentially a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado in a tuxedo. The body-on-frame construction provides truck-like durability, while the 4.6-liter V8 engine is practically bulletproof. iCars gives it an impressive reliability rating of 8.7 out of 10. Maintenance costs are surprisingly reasonable, about $7,800 over 10 years, less than half what you'd pay for a comparable German SUV. Many owners report reaching 200,000 plus miles with no major issues. Common problems are relatively minor: door lock motors, knee airbag connector issues, and the occasional valley coolant leak. But these are simple fixes on an otherwise tank-like vehicle. The GX 460 isn't the most sophisticated luxury SUV on the market. Its technology feels dated, and it drinks fuel like it's going out of style. But for pure reliability beyond the warranty period, almost nothing can touch it. Number 2. Lexus RX 350. The Lexus RX 350 has long been the gold standard for reliability in the luxury crossover segment. The fourth generation, introduced in 2016, continues this tradition while adding more style and technology. J.D. Power consistently ranks the RX at the top for dependability, and iCars gives it an impressive 8.9 out of 10 reliability rating. The naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine avoids the complexity and potential issues of turbocharged alternatives. 10-year maintenance costs run about $7,800, less than half what you'd pay for a comparable European luxury SUV. And many RX owners report minimal issues even well beyond 100,000 miles. Potential problems are relatively minor. Air conditioning system issues in older models, higher mileage vehicles may develop airbag system errors, and some owners report infotainment glitches. The RX 350 may not be the most exciting or dynamic luxury crossover, but its combination of comfort, refinement, and bulletproof reliability makes it a standout choice for long-term ownership. Number 1. Lexus ES 350. For the ultimate in luxury reliability, nothing beats the Lexus ES 350. Both the 6th generation 2013 to 2018 and 7th generation 2019 to present models offer unmatched dependability in the luxury sedan segment. The ES 350 consistently achieves the highest possible reliability ratings. J.D. Power has ranked Lexus as the highest overall brand for dependability for 3 consecutive years, with the ES specifically recognized as a model-level award recipient. IC Cars gives it an exceptional 9.0 out of 10 reliability rating. What makes it so reliable? It shares its platform with the Toyota Camry, one of the most dependable vehicles ever made. The naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine is a model of simplicity and durability, and Lexus follows a philosophy of conservative redesigns, making incremental improvements rather than radical changes. Maintenance costs are remarkably low for a luxury vehicle. About $5,900 over 10 years, less than a third of what you'd pay for a comparable European sedan. RepairPal estimates average annual maintenance at just $468. Some owners report driving their ES 350s for 200,000 plus miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. While it may not have the driving dynamics of a German sports sedan, its combination of comfort, luxury features, and unmatched reliability makes it the clear champion for long-term luxury car ownership. So there you have it, proof that luxury and reliability aren't mutually exclusive. If you enjoyed this countdown and want to see which pickup truck engines are built to last just as long, check out my video, 9 pickup truck engines that last forever right here. You might be surprised which American workhorse takes the top spot.